Welcome back to the Project Mayhem channel. In this video we're going to strip everything down to the bare frame and then build a frame rotisserie so I can do some repair work to the frame. Before we get started, I wanted to share some news and to explain why it's been so long since I've posted any videos. After planning for years, we have sold our home in Southern California and we have moved lock, stock, and barrel to beautiful Boise, Idaho. After searching for a home for months, we finally found one to purchase, and we are moved in and settling in nicely. The new house sits on just under an acre of land, which means there is plenty of room to build a nice new shop. Unfortunately, all of the contractors are backed up pretty far, and it's looking like we won't be able to build a shop until closer to the end of the year. But once we get the shop built, once we get everything going on it, I'm going to start a new series on this channel regarding the shop build. So in addition to the Bronco build, we will also have a series on the shop build as well. Getting back to the Project Mayhem Bronco, I still have quite a few videos set and ready to edit and post that were taken from our old home. So I will be going through those and updating 3 or 4 new videos in the next couple of weeks. I stripped the frame as far as I could while still keeping the rolling chassis. I had to keep the rolling chassis intact while I did the work on the bottom of the body that was shown in the last couple of videos. The reason I had to keep the rolling chassis intact was because I was using it as a dolly to move the body back and forth on my driveway. Yeah, that's pretty sketchy. It's definitely not OSHA approved. I made sure not to get underneath it in any way at all while it was moving. So I needed to make a rotisserie on the frame to make it easier to do some work to it, do some repairs to the frame. I decided to use a couple of engine stands with some 4x4s across them. So first thing I had to do was cut down a couple of 4x4s. Alright, so for the rotisserie, I'm going to mount the head. It's for the front. This is the basic idea for the rotisserie. There'll be one in the front of the frame and one in the back of the frame. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the way the rotisserie came out. Between the 4x4s and the bolts, I've got about 20 bucks into it, not including the 2 engine stands, which I already had. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Well, that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Project Mayhem Bronco channel to keep up to date with the new video releases. I will be releasing several in the next couple of weeks. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them below. I'd love to see them. And as always, thanks for watching.